Back it up slowly now. Bring the next one in.
The seals are intact, and you can check the manifest now.
All right, let's get this unloaded. Looks like a big shipment.
Make sure the flow is steady on that conveyor.
It's moving smoothly now. Bring the next lift.
Attention all personnel. Ensure the Crimson Line hoppers are clear before the next shipment arrives.
Next, the peppers move along the belt system to the automated cleaning and sorting area.
Look at the vibrant color of these Kashmiri chilies as they are sorted and cleaned by our state-of-the-art machinery.
Keep the pace steady. We need this shipment ready by noon.
Quality check on line 2 indicates a 99% sorting accuracy for the Kashmiri variety. Our Kashmiri red chili peppers are meticulously cleaned, ensuring only the purest flavors make it through the process.
We're seeing consistent heat on this batch.
Understood. Keep the flow rate steady.
Look at the fluctuation on gauge 3. The moisture spiked unexpectedly.
I see it. Adjusting the heat by 2 degrees Celsius, that should stabilize it.
The deep red color indicates the drying process is complete. We are clear for transfer to the preparation conveyors. Our advanced grinding mills transform the finest Kashmiri chilies into this vibrant, silky powder. Our state-of-the-art facility brings you the finest Kashmiri red chili, ground with precision and care. Here you see the oversized particles being meticulously separated for reprocessing, leaving only the purest Kashmiri chili. The journey of our premium Kashmiri red chili begins here, swiftly and silently delivered through pressurized pipelines.
The color values are consistent with the standard.
Purity levels look excellent, batch approved.
We use the sieve shaker to confirm the fineness, which directly impacts the flavor release. And the colorimeter shows a perfect A-star value.
Batch 7B, Kashmiri red chili, now loading into Silo 3. Our precision dosing systems ensure flawless consistency, releasing exact quantities of the finest Kashmiri chili powder. Experience the unmatched quality of our premium Kashmiri red chili powder, precisely measured and sealed for freshness.
Here at the weighing station, every pouch is checked for accurate measurement, guaranteeing the highest quality control before sealing. Ensure all seals are perfect before the final inspection stage. We must maintain the highest quality for the Kashmiri chili. Utilizing advanced high-speed vision cameras, we ensure the perfect seal on every pack of Kashmiri red chili.
The seal on this one is compromised.
Noted. I'll segregate this batch immediately.
Automated packaging sequence active.
maintaining optimal flow rate.
Experience the precision of our automated system, ensuring every carton of Kashmiri red chili is perfectly packed and ready for shipment.
Pallet 34B scanned. Move to staging area C.
Bring the red chili pallets to Bay 3 and the truck is ready for loading.
Keep coming back slowly. Watch the clearance on the right. Almost there, boss.
Copy that. Trailer 4 is clear. Bring in the next pallet of chili powder in now.
Final checks complete on this side. Good. Let's get this shipment moving.
Everything is in order. Safe journey with the chili powder.
Thank you. We will deliver on time.
As the sun set on a continuous journey of excellence, the finest Kashmiri red chili powder begins its voyage to the world.